Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can communicate with your clients using money.com. So as you can see, I have a couple of leads here and I can communicate with all of them via money.com, and it is very simple. So this lead that I have here, Alien Warren, as you can see, I have their email and I have their phone number. So what I can do is I can send them a text message using their phone number, or I can send them an email. If I want to send them, let's say I want to send them an email, I just click on their email. I just click on it and it will open up the Gmail into my computer, and here I can write an email and I can send that email to them. So I can just press the send button to send that email to them. And the other way is to press their phone number, and it will ask us to pick up a phone app, which we can use any app to send them uh, a text message to their phone number. So these are a couple of ways you can communicate with your clients using money.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.